Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at factor trees. Factor trees are a very important concept to help you break numbers down into their prime factors. This could be useful if you're trying to factorize and simplify fractions. It could also be useful in other types of math problems. So whether you're a teacher looking for a fun and engaging way to teach the topic, or whether you're a student who needs to learn how to do it, then this video is for you. Grab a pencil and let's jump right in and get factorizing. So here's the number 30, and the number 30 is even. So your first point of call here is to say, okay, well, I understand that it's even, so it must be divisible by 2. Now, if this is divisible by 2, I'm left with 15, because 15 times 2 is 30. And I notice that 15 is not divisible by 2, however, it's divisible by 3. So my next factor, which is prime, is going to be 3. Notice I put the prime factors inside of bubbles, and so this is going to be a 3 times a 5 here, and my 5 is also prime, and so I'm left with 2 times 3 times 5, and this is going to be my prime factorization for the number 30. And sure enough, you can double check. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. Moving on here to a number like 48, which is going to have quite a few factors, we notice that 48 is even, so we could divide it by 2 first again, and we're going to be left with a number which is still even, which is 24. And so in this case, we're going to have to divide by 2 again, and we might have to do this a few times. So 2, and we're left with 12, which again is even. And so if we divide this by 2 again, we're left with 6. And if we divide 6 by 2 again, we're left with finally 3, which is the last prime factor. So notice that for 48, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. And so when you have 4 2's, you can actually say that this is 2 to the power 4. And so 2 to the power 4 times 3, that is going to be the prime factorization for 48 here. And that's a wonderful place to stop for this question. So this is how you factorize 48. Facing the number 108, which will be our last question for today, we use the same strategy. So 108 is divisible by 2, which leaves us with 54. Now 54 is still even, so I can still divide by 2, which is going to leave us with 27. 27 is not even anymore. However, 2 plus 7 is 9, so this is definitely divisible by 3. So we can say that this is a 3. And we're left with 9. And 9 contains a 3 and a 3 because it's 3 times 3. So we can say here that 108 contains a 2, a 2, a 3, a 3, and a 3. So it has 2 2's and 3 3's. So the way that you could look at this is 2 squared times 3 to the power 3, or 3 cubed. Now 2 squared is 4, and 3 cubed is 27. So of course this is going to be a good way to double check that 4 times 27 is 108, and 25 times 4 is 100, so 27 times 4 is 8 more than 100, which is indeed 108. So this is a wonderful place to stop for this factorization, and this is how you do factor trees, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like, a follow, and a subscribe so that you can support our channel. We will help you as much as we can with your mathematics at school. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.